Hello guys, today I will show you how to delete read-only contacts on your Android without any issues. So let's start from the home screen. Find the Settings app and then scroll down to the Apps tab. Go in the search and enter here Contacts. Then go to the permissions and then to the contacts and make sure that it's allowed. Then go back and scroll down to the storage. And here you should clear cache and clear data. Then open the contact app, find the contact you want to delete, and delete it. And now you know how to delete read-only contacts on Android without any issues. So, if you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.